Sawa ka na ba sa hangiran nyo na madaling masira?
Oh no!
Naghahanap ka ba ng bagong clothes rack na mura, maganda at mukhang matibay? Then join me as I unbox, assemble, and give an honest review of an affordable multi-function clothes rack that I recently bought online. Let's go! Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. By the way, ako po si Rich and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share an affordable multi-function clothes rack that I recently bought online. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing!
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight, won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me? What makes this happy? Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight, better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight, won't you talk to me? I want
So there you have it, the multi-function clothes rack or coat rack or kung ano mang ililagay nyo. For the price, it's being sold for 279 pesos. But I paid 324 because of shipping because I'm not in Metro Manila. I'm in Rizal area. So kung halimbawa bibili po kayo, maghanap na lang po kayo ng seller na mas malapit sa inyo. But I will link the seller on the description below because maganda naman yung experience ko sa kanila at tama naman yung color na binigay nila sa akin. Kasi minsan may mga sellers sa Shopee na mali-mali yung colors na pinapadala. Speaking of colors, it comes in different colors. May white, may black, brown, and pink. I chose white because I'm going to use it on an upcoming room makeover that I'll be posting at the end of this month. So I hope you'll subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated once that video is up. So if you're wondering kung mabuhay siya or stable, to be honest, medyo mabuhay siya kasi magaan lang siya. But I think the idea is, once niligyan niya na ng mga gamit, itong lower part, mas bibigat na siya at mas bibigat na siya at mas magiging stable siya that way. And I suggest na kung hindi mo naman kailangang iurong-urong yung clothes rack, then tanggalin mo na lang yung wheels para mas maging stable siya. My only concern are the joints because it's made of plastic. So maybe in the future, maaari siyang mag-crack kung mabibigat yung damit na nililigay. But I will surely update you guys after a few months kung okay pa rin siya. So for the final verdict, I think it's okay for its price. Mas mukha naman siyang matibay kaysa doon sa mga clothes rack na may butterfly knobs. I'm just not sure kung ano yung weight limit niya kasi wala naman nakalagay sa ad ng seller. So medyo kakapain ko pa kung gaano kabigat yung kaya niya. Looks-wise, maganda naman siya at mukhang mahal. Pero syempre, pag hinawakan mo na, you will realize na magaan siya at mukhang flimsy. Pero as I've said, kapag nalagyan mo na siya ng mga gamit sa lower shelves, mas bibigat na siya at mas mukhang magiging stable. So if you're looking for an affordable clothes rack, I think this one will do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like and subscribe. I try to post new videos every week. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, it's your boy Rich, and I'll see you on the next video.